Game development is a process of creating video games for various platforms, such as consoles, PC, mobile devices, and virtual reality. The development process typically involves several stages, including concept development, design, programming, art, and asset creation, testing, and publishing. Concept development is the initial stage where game designers come up with the idea for the game, the setting, the story, and the mechanics. They create a design document that outlines the game's vision and features. Then, the design is divided into smaller parts, and artists, programmers, and sound engineers begin their work. The art team creates the visual elements of the game, including character models, environments, and user interface elements. Programmers develop the game's mechanics and code the game engine, which is the backbone of the game that handles physics, graphics, and interactions. Sound engineers create sound effects, music, and voiceovers. After the game is created, it goes through testing and debugging to ensure that it works correctly and is enjoyable to play. Then, it is published and released to the market. Game development involves collaboration between various experts to bring together all the aspects of the game to create an engaging and entertaining experience for the players.